This video shows a commercial garage door alignment and adjustment service completed in Meridian, Idaho by Anytime Garage Door Repair. The commercial garage doors were misaligned and operating unevenly, which can create excess strain on the system, increase noise, and cause premature wear if left uncorrected. Our work focused on precise adjustment rather than unnecessary replacement. We aligned the tracks, balanced the door system, and fine-tuned all critical components to restore proper movement and reliable operation. Correct alignment is essential for commercial garage doors that are used frequently and must operate safely and consistently every day. Proper adjustment helps reduce stress on the hardware and extends the lifespan of the entire system. After the service was completed, the doors now operate smoothly, evenly, and quietly. If you need professional commercial garage door adjustment or service in Meridian or nearby areas, Anytime Garage Door Repair is ready to help. Call or text 208-629-1567 for reliable same-day service.